Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the compatible panel for your Thermomix TM31. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the process, including tools required, step-by-step instructions, and maintenance tips to keep your appliance in top shape. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. You will require the following. 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A soft cloth for cleaning. 4. A replacement compatible panel. Once you have your tools ready, let's start by preparing your Thermomix for disassembly. Make sure the device is unplugged to ensure safety. Begin by removing the base unit from the countertop and placing it on a stable surface. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the Thermomix TM31. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these screws. Remember to keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find it challenging to reach them, a flathead screwdriver can help pry open any tight spots. With the screws removed, gently pull the back panel away from the device. Be cautious as there may be wires attached. This is a good time to clean out any dust or debris inside the machine. Using your soft cloth, wipe down the internal components gently. Now, let's focus on replacing the panel. Take your new compatible panel and position it where the old one was. Make sure it aligns properly with the mounting points. Press it firmly into place. If you're unsure about any step, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you assess any issues you might have with your Thermomix. Once the new panel is secured, you'll need to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and replace the screws you previously removed. Ensure that the screws are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this could damage the panel. After the back panel is secured, it's a good idea to give the exterior a quick clean to remove any fingerprints or smudges from the process. A clean machine not only looks good but also operates better. Now, plug your Thermomix back in and test the functionality of the new panel. Make sure all buttons and functions are responding as expected. If something isn't working correctly, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. In case you need repairs, remember to get a quote before any work is done. This ensures transparency and helps you plan your budget effectively. Finally, always keep an eye on your Thermomix for any signs of wear. Regular maintenance can prolong its life and performance. If you notice anything unusual, such as odd noises or error messages, or no calls, no travel service means you can get help without leaving your home. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Now you're ready to enjoy your Thermomix TM31 with its new compatible panel. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.